All right, this is our challenge lab 6.6.6, formatting smart art and shapes. All right, for this one, we are going to be doing some shapes in here. So on slide 7, jump down here, we are going to use the smart content placeholder and insert a smart art graphic based on the basic block list. So you can actually see if I put my cursor on these, it gives me what items I'm going to do. So I chose the smart art graphic and we want our basic block list, which looks like that. We're going to click OK. And we're going to enter the following items in to the smart art shape. So we're going to put acute. Oops. We're going to go right, obtuse, straight, and reflex. On slide 5, we are going to select the diamond shape and bring it to the front. So this is our diamond. We're going to arrange and select bring it to the front. On slide 4, we're going to change the smart art graphic to a color of your choice. So here's our colors. I am going to select green. On slide 5, we are selecting all 6 shapes. Oops, undo. I want to select all 6 shapes. Oh. All right, my computer is being a little skittish on me here. We should be able to just click and drag them all. If that doesn't work, you can hold down the shift key to add the additional ones and then right click and it should give you the option to group them. On slide 8, we are going to select all 6 text boxes. We're going to do click, click, click. Oops. We want the text box, not the shape. And we are going to do a word art style of our choice. I go to my shape format and I'm going to select that one. On slide 5, we are selecting the triangle, the circle, and the square and apply a shape style of our choice. So we're going to come up with the shape format and we want a shape style of our choice. So we're going to do this one. On slide 2, convert the bulleted list to a smart art using the alternating hexagon options. So with that shape format, we want it to be a smart art. So let's do this. With it highlighted, sorry, I had to jump back to this step. I went to the wrong one. But with the bulleted list highlighted, you're going to right click on it and convert to smart art. With that, we want the alternating hexagons. So if you put your cursor on it but don't click, it'll tell you what each shape is. All right, slide 8. I'm going to jump down here. On slide 8, select the 3 angle shapes at the top of the slide. So I'm going to select this one, and this one, and we're going to distribute them horizontally. So with this, you can do a couple different things. You can change text direction, you can align text, or you can go into the picture format and align them horizontally. So we want to distribute them though. That's our option there. On slide 4, change the layout of the Smart Art graphic to Basic Blocks List. So we want to change it to our Basic Blocks List. We're going to click this down arrow, see what else we got. It's that one. Yep, it's the first one. On slide 6, we're going to insert a rectangle shape of any size. So we're going to select one of these for our shapes. I want to see if they gave us one specific. Yep, so we're going to go we're going to insert a shape of any size. So we're going to click and drag, and then we are going to fill it with yellow. All right, on slide 5, we are going to copy the rectangle shape and paste it onto the same slide. So we're going to Control C. Oh, it doesn't like that. So right click, copy, and then click off of it and paste. Last one. On slide 4, change the text of understand problem shape to analyze problem. That's it.